Introducing EvoVax Y1 Pro, the most powerful robotic vacuum cleaner in India, designed to make our life easier. With 6500 PA suction power, it handles the toughest dirt with ease. 5200 mAh battery ensures the longest battery life, so it keeps going when you need it most. Featuring the 420 ml of water tank, it seamlessly transitions to wet mopping.
Buried in my fantasy. And I don't wanna know where we
Covering over 3,500 plus square feet on a single charge, it ensures every corner of your home is spotless. For a cleaner home and more me time, trust EcoVax Y1 Pro, the most powerful robotic vacuum cleaner in India.